Welcome back to Speak, Read and Write Bahasa Malaysia. The last part we spoke about words, common words. It's good if you have been practicing the pronunciation, which we hope you did. In this part, we are going to go through more words, but before that, a little recap from the last part. Selamat. Wishing safety, well-being, or congratulatory or peaceful remarks as in Selamat pagi for good morning, or Selamat as in free from harm, like the place is safe. The word Selamat has a different meaning depending on the context, but it always refers to positive sentiments. Then there was bangun, wake up, pagi, morning, tengah hari, afternoon, malam, night, kita, we or us, sarapan, breakfast. Then saya, I, nak, want or want to, pergi, go, ke, to, hotel, hotel, rumah, house, cikgu, teacher, terima, receive, followed by balik, which is go back or come back. Then dari, from, the 5 W's, who, siapa, what, apa, when, bila, where, mana, why, kenapa. And then last one was tandas, toilet, terima kasih, thank you, sama-sama, welcome, mari, come, sini, here, sana, there, ini, this, itu, that, berapa, how much, jumpa, meet, cari, find, kawan, friend, punya, belongs to. Great! That was all for the recap. Hope you remember. Now, in this part, we'll add in more words. One can find it pretty common, therefore very useful. Ready? Let's go! He or her, dia, them, mereka, children, kanak-kanak, can, boleh, yes, ya, correct, betul, give, beri, for, untuk, don't, jangan, no, tidak. Doing good so far? Okay, next. Welcome. Selamat datang. Place. Tempat. Put. Letak. Keep. Simpan. Think. Barang. Okay, take a deep breath. Little bit more. Male. Lelaki. Female. Perempuan. Wait. Tunggu. Caution. Awas. Prohibit. Larang. Okay, last one. Turn. Belok. Left. Kiri. Right. Kanan. Up. Atas. Down. ba, wa. You see, it gets pretty simple when you separate the sound of the words individually. As when you have the words A, W, A, S for caution. You separate A for R, then W, A, S for was. You get R, was. Same like K, A, N, A, N for right, kanan. It's K, A, ka, N, A, N, nan, ka, nan. Right. You try for he or her and keep. Let's go. D, I, D. Good. And A for R. Clever, clever. Dia. Perfect. Now, for keep. That's right. S, I, M. Then P, A, N. Clever. Simpan. See, all you need to do is separate the words and the vowel and get the sound. You just need to practice that and you will get it right. If you notice, words here are the most common one can see upon arrival at the airport. Get familiar with these words. It will not only be helpful for reading signboards, but by practicing, you can almost have conversations already. All you need is constructing sentences with these words. It's more like a jigsaw puzzle. You already have the pieces here. We'll arrange them later. Take it easy. A quick recap on what we learned today. Dia, he or her. Mereka, them. Kanak-kanak, children. Boleh, can. Ya, yes. Betul, correct. Beri, give. Untuk, for. Jangan, don't. Tidak, no. Then we had selamat datang, welcome. Tempat, place. Letak, put. Simpan, keep. Barang, thing. Lelaki, male. Perempuan, female. Tunggu, wait. Awas, caution. Larang, prohibit. And the last one, belok, turn. Kiri, left. Kanan, right. Atas, up. Bawah, down. If you notice, welcome is mentioned as either sama-sama for replying a thank note or selamat datang for receiving guests. Similar but different. Do share and subscribe to those you think this might be of help, and remember, practice over and over again, listen to some songs, watch some movies. It's totally okay to do mistakes. We'll see you again. As for now, jumpa lagi.